National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kandiyohi County, northwestern Meeker County, central Stearns County, until midnight. At 11:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line from 9 miles south of Melrose to over Spicer, or along the line from 29 miles west of St. Cloud to 8 miles northeast of Wilmer, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilmer, St. Anthony, Albany, Painesville, Richmond, New London, Spicer, Freeport, Green Lake, Farming, Banana, Munich, Greenwald, Lake Henry, Wasco, Spring Hill, Regal, Painesville Airport, Lake Coronis Regional Park, and Haywick. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Saturday for the following counties in Minnesota: Kandiyohi, Meeker and Stearns.